In this section, we will talk about validating your results. The easiest way to see the live event classification results of a knowledge pack running on your sensor is through the SensiML test app. SensiML provides PC and Android versions. Open the test app and connect to your device to see the classification output over BLE. Open the test app and connect your devices to see the classification output over BLE. Open the option and click the Open Model file and select the model.json file from your local computer. You can visualize your model, you can select your features in your model, and you can visualize where the life events are showing up in your model. When you change the states of events, you will start seeing a different classification output in your model.